Side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle, and good swerve. All right, so we're riding in this area. Okay, we immediately see side of the vehicle. We know this is an intersection. We know people are going this way. We know people are going this way. People are going this way. People are going this way. We got tons of possible path of travel violations. This should be an orange stage. Okay, so we should be prepped and ready for anything that could possibly be happening. All right, this vehicle started to hit movement. Okay, as soon as you see that, and they're not stopped and they're not staying there, they're starting their movement. We don't know how fast they're going to get up and go, because sometimes they kind of get up and go, and then they're creeping along, and they know you're there, but then as soon as you pass, then they go. I don't like doing that. I don't personally do that. I don't like when people do that, because it makes your heart rate go up a little bit, thinking they're going to just go. People just need to be more patient than that. But as soon as you see that, you know, oh man, I got to negotiate this threat using my planning method. So what's happening here is we're in a great position. He already positioned himself for safety. We're in lane position 3, like we're in this area. So what all he has to do is just kind of boop, just a little bit. Because here's the thing, car drivers, they don't want to go off on shoulders. They want to go into the lane. So if you play into their natural instinct to only stay in lanes, if you go out of the lane, which we can easily do because we're motorcyclists, if we do that, we're pretty much safe. This is like our little safe harbor. This is like our little safe area. This is our little safe area. So shoulders are actually really good. Now, the only thing that's not good about shoulders and it's not so safe is sometimes you'll have debris, you know, alligator skin and all that stuff. You got to be very careful with that, but that's something you can navigate around or adapt to. So yeah, definitely right here. It's like, okay, first available lane, right? I don't trust that. Neither does this rider. And that's a good choice that you didn't trust that. Now, in this situation, what you could have done is that you could have swerved right, saved yourself. You could also accelerate if you had the room. But the absolute safest was his choice, which is going to be to swerve right into the shoulder. I want to say thank you to Revzilla for being a sponsor of this channel. Grab yourself some motorcycle gear. This is their version of gear. You can find this at Cycle Gear also. But click the link in the description. No extra cost to you. It's an affiliate link. It helps support the channel. So if you're going to buy gear anyways on Revzilla and you want to get some gear, click that link and help out. Like I said, no cost to you. I'll see you guys around.